The Republic of China, Taiwan, received two of the four MQ-9B SkyGuardians ordered from the U.S. on March 17th, and the Taiwanese Air Force, officially known as the Republic of China Air Force, has begun assembling and testing them. The Republic of China Air Force, RoCAF, said the acquisition meets the demand for long-range, all-weather observation drones capable of providing real-time intelligence on Chinese military movements and air and sea activities near Taiwan. Viewers may note, in a contract announced dated March 12, 2024, the U.S. Department of Defense disclosed that General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, Inc. had secured a $250 million contract for the procurement of MQ-9B from Taiwan. While Taiwan is progressing with the development of its indigenous medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, the Teng Yun 2, the MQ-9B SkyGuardian offers a purpose-built and proven capability optimized for maritime surveillance and anti-submarine warfare (ASW) operations. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how American MQ-9B SkyGuardian would be major force multiplier for Taiwan against China. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian is an advanced derivative of the MQ-9A Reaper, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, GAASI, to meet growing international demand for a medium-altitude, long-endurance, remotely piloted aircraft system capable of operating within civilian-controlled airspace. Originally known as the Certifiable Predator B, the platform was specifically designed to comply with stringent European and international airworthiness standards, thereby expanding its export potential and operational flexibility. To enable routine operations in national airspace, the MQ-9B has been engineered to satisfy NATO STANAG 4671 airworthiness requirements. Enhancements include lightning protection systems, revised composite structures, and an integrated detect and avoid DAA capability that allows the aircraft to safely operate alongside manned aviation. The platform incorporates a number of significant performance improvements over earlier Predator series aircraft. These include a 79-foot, 24-meter wingspan fitted with winglets and increased fuel capacity, enabling endurance of up to 40 hours while operating at altitudes of up to 50,000 feet, 15,000 meters. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian is equipped with a sophisticated sensor suite designed to provide persistent intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and maritime monitoring capabilities across vast areas of operation. The platform integrates the Lynx multimode radar, a high-definition electro-optical or infrared EOIR full-motion video system, traffic collision avoidance system, and a DE or anti-icing system that enables operations in challenging weather conditions. Complementing the aircraft is a completely redesigned and modernized ground control station featuring 4 operator workstations. The advanced control architecture enables multiple crew members to simultaneously manage flight operations, sensor payloads, mission planning, and intelligence analysis. This significantly enhances mission efficiency while allowing the platform to support complex, multi-domain operations over extended periods. At the heart of the MQ-9B's surveillance capability is the Lynx multi-mode radar, one of the most capable sensors in its class. The radar can operate in multiple modes, including synthetic aperture radar, SAR, ground moving target indicator, GMTI, and inverse synthetic aperture radar, ISAR. In SAR mode, the system generates high-resolution imagery regardless of weather conditions or time of day, enabling operators to identify and monitor targets with exceptional clarity. GMTI mode allows the radar to detect, track, and classify moving vehicles and other mobile targets over large areas, while ISAR mode is particularly valuable for maritime operations, producing detailed images of vessels at sea to aid in identification and tracking. The combination of radar and EOIR sensors provides the MQ-9B with a powerful multi-sensor intelligence gathering capability. While the radar can scan vast areas and detect potential targets, the EOIR system can then be used for positive identification and continuous tracking. This layered approach significantly improves target detection and classification, whether monitoring military movements, tracking vessels, securing borders, or supporting disaster response efforts. These capabilities make the MQ-9B exceptionally well-suited for a wide range of missions, including intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR, maritime domain awareness, anti-smuggling operations, border security, target acquisition, search and rescue missions, and the monitoring of strategic choke points in contested regions. Further, if required, the platform can take up offensive role. SkyGuardian is equipped with 9 external hardpoints, 8 mounted under the wings and 1 on the centerline, providing a maximum external payload capacity of 4,750 pounds, 2,155 kilograms. This weapons carriage capability enables the platform to employ a diverse range of precision-guided munitions tailored for strike and close support missions. This includes AGM-114 Hellfire, GBU-12 Paveway 2, GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM. While the SkyGuardian's standard weapon suite is focused on air-to-ground missions, the platform could soon carry air-to-air weapons, such as the AIM-9X Sidewinder. In a successful live-fire testing by the U.S. Air Force, MQ-9 Reaper utilized an AIM-9X Block 2 Sidewinder to shoot down a target drone simulating a cruise missile. The missile could provide the MQ-9B with a limited self-defense or counter-unmanned aerial system capability, depending on mission requirements. China and Taiwan are separated by the Taiwan Strait, a body of water approximately 100 miles, 160 kilometers, wide. In the event that Beijing decides to pursue military reunification by force, Chinese military would be required to transport large numbers of troops and equipment across this maritime barrier. Such an amphibious invasion would rank among the most complex military operations ever attempted. To achieve a reasonable prospect of success, China would need to mobilize and sustain a massive force comprising thousands of tanks, armored vehicles, artillery systems, and rocket launchers, in addition to the logistical infrastructure necessary to transport vast quantities of fuel, ammunition, and supplies across the strait. At present, Chinese military continues to exert sustained military pressure on Taiwan through a combination of frequent air incursions, naval deployments, and large-scale exercises conducted in and around the Taiwan Strait. These operations are widely viewed as efforts to demonstrate Beijing's military capabilities, test Taiwan's defenses, and reinforce its claims over the island. In 2023, to commemorate the 96th anniversary of the PLA, China's state broadcaster, CCTV, aired Chasing Dreams, an 8-part documentary detailing the Chinese Armed Forces' preparations for a potential attack on Taiwan. The opening episodes focused on recent PLA exercises conducted near the island and featured interviews with service members expressing their willingness to carry out combat operations and, if necessary, make the ultimate sacrifice in support of national objectives. Taiwan, meanwhile, has invested heavily in asymmetric defense capabilities designed to complicate any invasion attempt. These include increasingly capable land-based anti-ship missile systems intended to target invasion fleets and logistical vessels. Such capabilities mirror the effectiveness demonstrated by Ukraine's Neptune anti-ship missile, which sank the Russian cruiser Moskva in the Black Sea. In addition to its missile forces, Taiwan fields a broad array of advanced military systems, including U.S.-supplied F-16 fighter aircraft, integrated air defense networks, and modern surveillance assets. The scenario demands that Beijing achieves a high degree of tactical and operational surprise at the outset of an invasion attempt. This is where the MQ-9B SkyGuardian could play a significant role. In a potential Taiwan Strait contingency, the platform's ability to provide persistent surveillance and real-time intelligence over large maritime areas could prove particularly valuable in detecting and tracking Chinese naval and amphibious forces long before they reach Taiwanese shores. The SkyGuardian would help drastically reduce the likelihood of strategic surprise and enhance Taiwan's ability to respond to emerging threats.